Getting jacked is about more time in the gym. It's about the right things consistently enough that your body has no choice but to grow. 2 minutes or less, let's go. 1. Eat in a surplus. You cannot build significant muscle eating at maintenance. Full stop. 2 to 300 calories above what you burn. Enough to fuel muscle growth without adding unnecessary fat. Most guys trying to get jacked are eating maintenance and wondering why nothing changes. Lazy logic, you can't build a house without materials. Food is the material. 2. Hit 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Every single day. Non-negotiable. Chicken, eggs, minced beef, Greek yogurt, protein shake if needed. Protein builds muscle, everything else is secondary. 3. Train compound movements 3 times a week. Incline bench, chin-ups, shoulder press, rows, Bulgarian split squats, Romanian deadlifts, 4 to 8 reps, heavy, 1 to 3 sets per movement, short, intense, done. Lazy logic, heavy compound movements in low rep ranges build more muscle than light isolation work ever will. If you want the exact program, sets, rep, weekly structure, it's all inside Globe Academy. Almost at 100 paid members, link in description. 4. Sleep 9 hours. Muscle is built during sleep. Growth hormone releases during sleep. Your nervous system recovers during sleep. 8 hours minimum, 9 is better. Dark room, consistent schedule, most underrated jack tool available completely for free. Lazy logic, sleep is a supplement most guys aren't taking. 5. Stay consistent for 6 months minimum. Getting jacked takes longer than you expect and shorter than you fear. 6 months of eating enough, training right, sleeping enough, that's when real change becomes undeniable. Stop looking for the shortcut is doing the basics correctly for long enough. Surplus, protein, heavy compounds, sleep, 6 months, 5 things, no complicated program needed. Want me to personally map this out for you and your body goals? Coaching is linked in the description. I work with guys one-on-one every single month. See you in the next video.